We move fast. This is all we do. We don't do anything else.
When it comes to managing turnkey design-build projects, whether it be retail, restaurant, or medical office, we are unrivaled as a nationwide leader. We work like a well-oiled machine, with everybody in our team pulling in the same direction. We take a high-performance team approach to all of our projects. We are dedicated to creating exceptional spaces that meet our clients' needs and goals. Whether or not it's a 500 square foot tenant improvement project or a 300,000 square foot shopping center that transforms an entire community, we take the same approach. We pride ourselves in our extensive experience and commitment to our clients.
Our team works hard to ensure our projects run smoothly from concept to completion. Our mission is to deliver exceptional project management services to our clients to create long-lasting relationships. Our core values are the foundation of our success. We are dedicated to our clients' success and the achievement of their goals. We believe in the power of collaboration and working together as a cohesive unit. We embrace challenges and find creative solutions to overcome obstacles. We pay close attention to every aspect of a project, ensuring nothing is overlooked. We understand the importance of time and work efficiently to deliver results on time and on budget.
So what sets SCGWest apart? Let's take a look at some facts. Our project managers are all trained in PMBOK to ensure top-notch project management practices. We were ranked number 307 of the fastest growing companies by Inc. magazine in the entire country. Here at SCGWest, we value your time. If for some reason we do not meet our delivery date that we promised up front, our SCG guarantee kicks in, also known as our on-time assurance. On the rare occasion that our project is delivered late, we offer additional project support or complimentary services on future projects. This ensures that SCG keeps their promise and delivers your project on schedule.
Our unique approach sets us apart. We prioritize client-focused collaboration and streamlined communication. We utilize technology and embrace it. We are forward-thinking. We have cutting-edge software, AI tools, and online portals housing everything at our clients' fingertips. But don't just take our word for it. See what our satisfied clients have to say.
SCGWest, project management made simple.